If you were wondering if it really puts off mist, it does. Oh my goodness. So yeah, this is gonna be great for the beach, for the pool, for fishing, for the track meets, for the cross country. All that stuff is great. Hey, and by the way, I did look into this little piece. There was a replacement. It's not a different size. It's just a replacement. Guys, this was sent to me for a review. I think it's great. I have no complaints. Thank you for sending it. Now let me just unbox it for you, and then I'll take it outside and try it out for the first time. So, all right, here we go. First of all, it feels pretty durable and solid, like well-built solid. Yeah, I like that. Okay, let's see here. We got a mister right there. And let's open up and see what all comes in here. All right, so instruction manual, full color, just explains everything, everything there. Kind of curious how these LED lights work. Remote control, instructions. Okay, probably won't need this, but it's nice to know it's there. All right, here is the adapter. So standard adapter. Looks like it's got a pretty big battery life. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. It's like a handle. Huh, that's kind of cool for importing it, porting it around, transporting it. All right, let's see here. There's the plug. So I'll get that in the wall here in just a minute. I wonder if it has a charge to begin with. Let's see how you turn it on. Yeah, it does. Well, it beeped anyway. There we go. All right, now looks like it's probably low. Yeah, we need to charge it. All right, here's the remote. Power, fan speed. There's 4 fan speeds. There's the light. The mister's kind of cool. They have like 4 different intermittence speeds. Like one of them's continuous. One of them's 3 seconds on and then 3 seconds off. Then 3 seconds on, 5 seconds off, and then 3 seconds on, 7 seconds off. So that's kind of cool. All right, that's the oscillator, I'm sure, and maybe timer. We'll see. Yeah, cool. All right. So remote control. Got an extra little misting head, which appears to have the same diameter of hole. I don't know that actually might have a little tiny bit bigger hole. We'll see. It's either a replacement or you can do more or less. We'll see. All right, that's everything that comes in it. Let me get this thing charged and I'll take it outside after a while and show you how it works. Okay, I've got this plugged in now so you can see there is a 25%, 50%, 75%, and 100% battery gauge. There's also a continuous misting setting. Then this is the one where it takes a 3-second break, 5-second break, 7-second break after it mists for 3 seconds. That's the intermittent timing, so you know exactly where that's at. And then you've got your light, look at that. And you got your oscillator, but let's do the lights first. That's kind of cool. Oh, there we go, color changing. And then I'm guessing, yeah, there, that's off. And then let's see, this bottom one here is the oscillator maybe? Or maybe have something to do with the lights. We'll figure that one out. All right, then we got the spray. Yep. A little bit of pressure coming out of there. And then the fan. Very cool. And oh, look, this fan speed, we were just looking at these as battery gauges, but now this is also the same gauge for the fan speed. So 25, 50, 75, and then like turbo. That's cool how they use that twice. All right, looking at the rest of it. Here is where you put the water in, and it holds 2 liters. So it's gonna last a long time. And that's a pretty heavy duty plug. The whole thing, the construction is really, really nice. And it looks like it's gonna blow a lot of air. Oh yeah, that's cool. Literally and figuratively. All right, cool. All right, I'll take it outside here in a minute. But first impressions are great. All right, so turn the fan off and we're still charging up to 100%. Okay, I think I figured out this oscillator. If you hold that down, it then starts to turn. Another cool feature. Let's see when it gets to the end if it goes all the way in a circle or if it returns back this same direction. Nope, right there it stopped. And then it's beginning to turn back. Let's see how far it goes. I'll speed it up. All right, right there. Pretty cool. So I'm sitting here about 10 feet away, and this is on low, and I'm getting mist way over here. And there's a little bit of a crosswind as well. So I would say low is pretty good, but let me jack it up a little bit. Medium, high, and turbo. So it's misting on high, and I'm about 10, 12 feet away, and I'm getting some mist, and there's a little crosswind happening as well. So it's not perfect scenario here. Let me back this out. So I'm way back here. I'm feeling it way over here. But when I'm up here in the chair, I definitely need to move it down quite a bit because it is like blasting my face right now. So let me move that down to low. Yeah, right there. So I like it. The remote is very functional, but I also like the fact that the buttons are on the front. This is gonna work out great. I like it. No complaints. It's built really well, and it's definitely getting me wet. So probably need to back this off even further from me. Little bonus, in the heat of the summer, we're not there yet, but these chickens have put themselves in line with the mist.